Mbah Muli'ah, Miftachul Wachyudi, Yudee, Indonesia Besardan Maju Mbah Muli'ah as grandmother of Miftachul Wachyudi, Yudee, from mother Musholiyah. Before Mbah Muli'ah died in July 2021 at age 81 years old, she said as this video tells that she is Grand Daughter of Kyai. She said, Sikin shop, at Dukun, is still family, cousin. And when I married, with husband Muchlis or real name Abu Amar, my aunts sit down around, front room of her house, and my grandfather, Kyai, sit down between me and husband, when she is a girl, but I cannot see my grandfather Ka as Muflikhah who she is talked with. Muflikhah is her 6th daughter from 10 all her child. Muflikhah answer but asked Mbah Muli'ah, why does no one to be a Kyai? Muflikhah asked why no one of Mbah Muli'ah child be a Kyai when grow up, and then Mbah Muli'ah answer, Ya mbuh. Mean I don't know in Java family language, so I research at Google search who is the Kyai near village she told. In Siraman Village, Dusun, Sembunganyar Village, Desa, and the south of her village is Sembungan Kidul there are 2 Kyai around there. There are Maskumambang and Ihyaul Ulum. Both pondok pesantren is still one family owner. I research who is Mbah Muli'ah father. The answer is Achwan, born around 1920, near Muhammad Faqih time as leader Maskumambang. I think that Achwan maybe is nephew or brother or cousin of Muhammad Faqih based on different time between Achwan and Muhammad Faqih born or lifetime. As Mbah Muli'ah said Achwan father is Kyai, brother, cousin of Muhammad Faqih or does it himself? I still doing research at this for real information. If someone have information the real about this, please write comment under this video.